And today we are going to see about the neatly based case study along with the defendant of response in forensic law. So, defendant அப்படின்னா நம்மளோட அக்யூட் பார்ட்டி இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த பார்ட்டியோட என்னென்ன ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் அலிகேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே நம்ம அந்த ஃப்ராட்ல பண்ணியிருக்காங்க இல்லையா, ஃபினான்ஷியல் ரெக்வயர்மெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் டாக்குமெண்ட்ஸோட நம்ம கலெக்ட் பண்ணுவோம். These things will be collected along with the explanation, with documentation and identification. All the documents should be perfect and that documents should be goes along with the investigation. Finally, the financial records will be recorded.
Okay. Good morning everyone. Myself Karen Christina from 2nd year GCS Staff Development. So today I am going to see about the introduction of dependence response. In forensic accounting, the explanation of dependent response is there are two parties in a dependent, like a party of accused. So there is an option for the accused to explain about the allegation. The court will ask the explanation about the explanation to the accused party to find whether the fraud or financial misconduct is actually performed or not. Based on the answer and explanation of the accused party only, the misconduct or the frauds may be detected and defined properly, and including the financial explanations and the documentations, financial explanations and justifications are based on the explanation and answers of the accused party. So this response will help the investigators in court to find the financial history completely. On the other side, it is a key role for deciding whether the actual fraud is performed or not.
Features. Human center focus on intent behavior and decision. Human center numbers மட்டும் இல்லாம peopleோட behavior decision எல்லாமே கேட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் கோர்ட் அனலைஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. எவிடன்ஸ் டிபெண்ட் based on numbers not emotions. numbers மட்டும் இல்லாம emotions அதெல்லாம் பேஸ் பண்ணாம அவங்களோட டாக்குமெண்ட்ஸ் டேட்டா எல்லாம் பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் ரிசல்ட் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ட் ரெஸ்பான்ஸ். allegations point by point explanation should be. Transparency. Documents must match explanations. நம்ம பேசுறதும் டாக்குமெண்ட் கொடுக்குறதும் எக்ஸ்பிளேஷன் பண்ணுறதும் சேமாக இருக்கணும், அப்பதான் அது வந்து எடுப்பாங்க. லீகல் வேலிடிட்டி. யூசபிள் இன் கோர்ட். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து கோர்ட்டில் எவிடன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்கன்னா அதுக்கான ப்ரூஃப் எல்லாமே ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கணும், ரெண்டுமே சேமாக இருக்கணும். ப்ராப்ளம் சால்விங் அப்ரோச். ஃபியூச்சரில் இந்த மாதிரி எரர் நடக்கக்கூடாது அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக ஃபாரன்சிக் அக்கவுண்டிங் வந்து ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் மட்டும் பண்ணுறது இல்லாமல் அதுக்கான சொல்யூஷன் கொடுக்கும். ஃபியூச்சரில் இது வந்து ரிப்பீட் ஆகக்கூடாதுன்றதுக்காக அனலைஸ் பண்ணி அதுக்கான சொல்யூஷன் கொடுப்பாங்க.
Subtopic is meaning of dependence response, role in forensic investigation, types of financial differences, supporting financial documents, legal implications, impact on trial and judgment.
I move this and my topic is linear search, allegations, financial review, different explanation, document verification, forensic analysis, expert opinion, court evaluation. Thank you.
My topic is real life application, corporate fraud investigation, insurance claim, employee cases, shareholder, bank and loan fraud cases. Example: company director explains case withdrawals using forensic audit.
I am Anup. Today my subtopic is real life application settlement. Many cases settle before trial, save time and money. Example: that is agree on trial company.
Sorry, take court complexity. Terms written response. Meaning வந்து financial evidence, bank records and witness. The financial evidence, bank records and witness வந்து future relationships வரும். Forensic analysis, examination of data,
The defendant response. Here we have three types: legal, forensic and trial outcomes, and financial explanation and supporting documents. So you know what is legal defense? That comes under arguments. Second one, the defenses, and the third one is legal procedures and mitigations with the parties. And forensic review, we have a lot of documents and that document should be analyzed. Second one is expert terminologies along with the financial auditing with evidence performance. And third one is trial outcome. Here the judgment along with the rendered parties, and the damage is what are the things which is not transparency, we want to go along with it. And third one is settlement speech. If they want to pay the amount, they want to pay the amount, right? And the last one is appeal filed. The case is filed here. And financial explanation. What is the income sources is coming under the parties. Second one, the expenses what they have breakdowns. And third one, assess disclosure. And the fourth one is liability statements. What is the statement has been done and bank statement along with the proof. And here supporting document, the bank statement, taxes that has been resumed and pay stubs and contracts, and finally the receipt has been. These things should be submitted along the different response for the allegation. Okay, step by step allegation. Tomorrow interaction that is parties under the trial. So the forensic accounts goes under the trial for both parties. What happened in the financial records and the arguments. Okay. And second one, the evidence of the fraud. Which fraud has been, which party is the fraud we want to analyze. And third thing, we want to justify and we want to explain along with the documentation. And the documentation should be transaction through the bank statements. Okay. And the last one, based on this, the court will be decide and find the experts and they will give the judgment. Okay. Thank you.